Joey the rat, Joey the loser, Joey the rat with the minions, aka your little tiny fan club, with probably nothing but you and maybe a couple other people. Sneeze. Bro, I tell you, man, my wife had a great point about you, bro. You are a very pathetic, sorry excuse for a man on so many levels. It ain't funny. Bro, you literally are 30 years old without a pot to pee in, nothing to call your own. Everything you get that had little value, you probably heard and sell it, like that mineral thing. You sold something that you could have had giving you money for years on out now. Instead of you being halfway intelligent, you would have told yourself, hey, dum-dum, don't you sell it for one lump sum, because when that money runs out, where you going to be at then? Right back where you at. Where you at now. Nowhere. Homeless. Living out of hotels. And you act like that is a good life. Bro, you know that's not a good life, man. Bro, you literally are broke. You literally had to lie about how much money you still have, how much money you trying to get up to. You have lied so much, bro. You just it looked like to me you just said, I'm gonna keep it going. The only thing I gotta do is just throw different numbers out there to make people believe I still got money. But push comes to shove, bro, you don't have no money. You know, coming on here and bashing your head in every day, it's fun. Do not get me wrong. It is fun, bro. Because you make it so easy. So easy, man. And I can't help myself sometimes with you. But now, bro, looking at you and listening to you lie every day, lie to the point where it's just like you make people mad just to see your face, just to hear you talk anymore. And you literally, bro, is a sad case of stupidity, this ignorant. I mean, I didn't know you can drop down any lower until I seen you beg for birthday wishes. Birthday wishes, bro. I have never seen somebody beg for somebody to please say happy birthday to me. That means you don't have a single friend in your life that you can count on. You can count on to say, hey, bro, hey, you want to go out, for your birthday? And make it even worse, I haven't seen not one friend. Not one, bro. And you try your hardest to freaking act like you just so balanced and so well put together because you are just, you ain't worried about nothing, this and that, this and that. And bro, you are exactly the opposite of that. You are. Because you know what? It's like, if people don't catch you, you get away with telling people that ain't nothing wrong with you. Because people ain't gonna be like, wait a minute. Because you got dumb followers, so that makes it easy for you to tell good lies. But if somebody really wanted to pay attention and find out all your lies, they can. Only thing they have to do is just listen to you. Listen to how you talk, what you talk about. Bro, you literally talks about this money so much that you back yourself into a corner. Now you don't even, makes it crazy. It's like, you don't even realize it, that your own mouth got you caught. Your own stupidity got people, well, got me noticing it, because you're the only person on the planet think it's cool to flash money still. To flash money on YouTube, and then you literally, when you don't have money, you don't even talk about money when you don't got it. Only thing you talk about is, oh man, I'm gonna get a check on the 14th, I'm gonna get a check on the 16th, I'm getting a check. And it's like, wait a minute. You getting a check on the 4th, the 14th, 15th. You always say that, but we never see you. Never see you have a check in your hand. Never see you go to the bank. Never see you cash the checks. Nothing. But then the other day, you was like, I cashed $1,000 check. And the first thing you said, though, and don't ask me to see it neither. I don't even need a counter no more. I don't even need a counter no more. Because you know you didn't have no money. That's why you said don't even ask you to count it, because you know it ain't there. You had like probably 2 20s tops, couple of 5s, and all 1s. All of them 1s. And do you listen? Why do you still put the $1 bills up front and then say you don't flash $1 bills? It ain't just all 1s. I've never seen that before, bro. You literally talk yourself right into a lie. Your own lie at that. Your own lie, bro. Think about that. You come on here to lie, and all that you end up doing is getting caught in the lie. Because, you know, this is what I know. You ain't have no $600 check. You ain't have no $700 check. That was nothing more than at Labor Ready, got paid a couple of days in a row for working a couple of days in a row. And then you took it off the card and tried to flash everything. And to me, bro, that's just a sad, man. You're a grown man. Grown man. Act like one. Stop acting like you gotta show all your money. You gotta always act like you the biggest thing on the planet. And you know, man, you're the biggest pussy on the planet. You haven't won or fought a fight since that dude knocked your butt down in front of his yard, whatever that place was. That's what makes it even funnier. You put your own self on YouTube getting beat up with headgear. How's that even possible? How do somebody get knocked down beat up, wearing headgear. Headgear. And you have the nerve to say how tough you are. That's confusing to me, man. I'm sorry, bro. That is so confusing to me that you get knocked out wearing headgear. I never thought that was possible. But then, I didn't think somebody was so dumb walking this planet neither. And I met you, well, not me, just seen you. So, everything's possible. Bro, it's like this. You are a pathetic excuse, bro. You are a pathetic excuse for a human, for a man, human being. Everything you want to say, you are pathetic. You know, it's like pity almost now. It's pity towards you. Not animosity, not because you're a racist piece of crap and you sucking somebody off on YouTube because your butt's still on YouTube, even though you're one of the racist people on YouTube. But I guess YouTube just don't hear that and let you continue to do your thing. But back to you, bro. You are just a sorry excuse, man. A sorry excuse for a man, human being, whatever else you want to say. That's sad to me that you are like that and will never admit it. You will never ever admit that you are a sad excuse. And to me, that's just, I've never seen a man scared to take advice, to better yourself, because you telling people you smart and stuff. But then to top it off, bro, you say the dumbest thing. I don't need to be told nothing. I know everything. I know it. What you come on? You on my show? You came on my show telling me what to do, how to do stuff, bro. It is YouTube. It ain't your show. You don't have a show. You would never have a show. You are dumb. You understand why you have nobody that want to work with you. Nobody. Nobody want to work with you. Nobody want to be your friend. Nobody won't even want to come near you. And you act like you don't see that. You see it, you hear it, you feel it. Because you know you have a lonely life. You are a very lonely individual. You will never, ever, 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 ever understand that you are a waste of breath. You have no drive to get yourself out of positions that you are in. You are in a position where you are homeless, broke, and no sense of direction which way to go. And you know what? If you maybe once or twice, maybe take advice from somebody that's trying to help you. You know, studio apartment, save $200 a month. I don't know what I'm talking about. Maybe I'm just this as dumb as you. You know, that's just me. You know, $200 is $200. Saving $200 a month is a big deal. I guess that's just me then. I guess sneeze, you live in the high life right now. $200 is like paper money to you, I guess. You know, it's paper to you. It's just like, shoot, I got so much money. You know, you got so much money and you act like $200 is nothing. But do you remember? Remember now. You was tripping on old girl Ashley for your funky money back. And then you said she used it on drugs, she bought this, and that. And you know what? Your sorry, trifling self, you knew that she gave you that money back, sent it right back to you. And you sat on YouTube lying, and saying she spent this, she did this and that. You literally lied on her like a little bee, man, like a little snitch. Lying on her, knowing darn well you already had the money. Already had the money back. How low can you get, man? I mean, you reach new lows. I'll give you that. You do got something to strive for. Reach another low. But you trying to kill her character, kill her name, for what? Because she's done with you? She was done with you? Lose yourself? That's what I mean with you, bro. You are a sorry, excuseful human being. You are a sorry excuse for a freaking man. And I just believe that's just so grimy on all levels. You basically beg for that money, like that money was everything to you. Beg for it back. You talked about it like dirt. At the same time, already had the money back. Already had it back. So what that told me at the end of the day, you just wanted something to talk about. You have no life, you have no friends, you have no girl, you have no family that wants you. And you said to yourself, I'm going to keep this going because I'm getting attention from it. Attention from it. So in turn, you said, I'm going to keep lying because Ashley ain't coming on YouTube to blast me, so I'm going to keep saying it. You see how jacked up that is? That you can slander somebody's name just for the heck of it, and then call yourself a Messiah. Wow. Wow, bro. Wow. You are undeniable. The most piece of crap, lying sack of crap, loser of a person. And that's sad to me, bro. You are a sad little man. Wow. I tell you, bro, you ain't gonna never grow up. You never will grow up, and you never will get another woman. You're something else, bro. Something else.